Now I made sure that we have talked about majority of the things like GPT, how you can use it to make your life easy. I've created a prompt for you and stuff like that. Right. But wait, there is more. What we just covered is just the cherry on top. I am actually excited to give you more insights regarding various topics. Now, due to the time constraints we have, it is actually not possible to cover everything. Reason being, the session is only 1.5 to 2 hours. That's it. It's a very small masterclass what we provided. Now, whatever topics which we discussed, we have, based on all the feedback we have received from various students, we have launched an Excel mastery course just for enthusiasts like you. For people who want to maybe access the link. Okay, guys, I read your questions. I'm going to discuss them so that we disable the chat for now. Let me finish it and then I'll get back on this. Promise. Okay. Just give me a few seconds. All right. So now for enthusiasts like you, for you now I've seen many people are facing issue with sir, how do we add this chat GPT to our Excel? How do we actually do this prompt engineering? How do we make ourselves better in Excel? So for enthusiasts like you, we have launched this Excel Mastery program for you. Okay. And what do you get? You get some global standard training by Microsoft certified trainers. We ensure that whatever content you get is directly from Microsoft. So you are getting the latest content. And it's going to be a beginner to advanced level training. And it's all live. There is no pre-recorded. It's 20 hours live class with a capstone project. And the best part about this is you get a certificate. Of course, everybody says, sir, a certificate is very common these days. But you get a certificate directly from Microsoft. That is the beauty with us. So you can see on the screen, this is the certificate. This is my certificate like almost 2 years ago. I still have it. It's a digital certificate directly from Microsoft. So whatever we are going to train you guys, you get an eligibility to attempt the official Microsoft exam. And not just that, you will also have access to 7 mock tests. On top of it, I'm ensuring that I give you a special MS Excel handbook for everyone. A custom designed MS Excel handbook worth 10,000 rupees. And a 100% exam pass guarantee. Now, many people actually feel a lot of hesitant when they say, sir, to write an exam. What if I fail? No. So we have tried and tested this on so many students. Okay. And many of them who have failed to follow our protocol, we have set a very, very straightforward protocol. If you follow the protocol as it is, we provide a 100% pass exam pass guarantee. And if you do not pass the exam, we pay for your next exam. Okay, that exam, whatever the price is, whatever the cost is for Microsoft, we bear it and we pay for your next exam if you do not pass it. That's how sure we are. Okay, now all this, this global standard training, this beginner to advanced level training, 20 hours of live class with a capstone project, your eligibility for exam, mock exams, special handbook, 100% pass guarantee, all these things. For you guys, we are actually providing it at 19,999 inclusive of GST. This is the price which we are actually providing to everyone. I know, I can see your reactions. I can feel them because I was also, yeah, I get it. But as we just launched it, this was launched very, very recently, like a few days ago. And this is our first webinar which we are launching. And for the opportunists who actually love to grab opportunities, we are offering a very, very special price to you guys. It's not 19,999. It's not 19,999 at all. We are offering it at just 9,676 rupees, inclusive of all, GST, taxes, vagera. That's almost 50% off with an EMI plan also included. Now, if you won't have access to this, we have made it very, very easy for you. You can scroll down. I have a surprise for you here. Open this at end. Now this is the link which I have attached for you. You can click on it and have access to all the details of what we'll be teaching you. Okay, so here's a description. You can go through the classes, activities, what all we'll be discussing, and this is inclusive of Microsoft certificate. This, you're not getting any certificate from a third party company. What you get is directly from Microsoft. That's our plan. That's how we have been doing it. That's how we have actually been providing value to everyone. And this offer is currently valid only for our webinar attendees. Okay, so we are sharing the link with you guys. It's on Notion. If you want to register now, you can register it now. And I am also opening the chat box. We are also opening the chat box for any questions and any queries you have. We are, wait, I think the chat box is open. Yes, okay, so now okay, in the meantime, guys, you can go through it. You can actually have access. Simran also has shared the course link in the chat. You can go through it. If you have a credit card, you can get an EMI plan as low as 350 rupees per month. Very, very cheap. We spend it on McD's these days per day. So you can upgrade yourself. You can get a Microsoft certification at this price, including all the trainings, capstone project, mock exams, and a 100% exam pass guarantee, which not many people provide. Okay, let me answer the questions real quick in the meantime. Actually, okay, I'll actually doing it. Jaya says if you give a certificate that will be helpful for us. Absolutely, Jaya. We will keep that in consideration. Muskan, how to get certificate? I am pretty sure you have registered with your mail ID. So I am hoping that you would be getting it on your mail. Sayan, in my Excel page, there is no GPT for Excel like features. How can I get them? I did not understand the question, Sayan. I think you can be a bit more specific there. It would make things easier for me. And Vishalini, are you regularly conducting? Yes, Vishalini, we are regularly conducting webinars like these. We conduct it more often. This is just one topic which we are doing, Excel mastery. I mean, Excel plus AI. We will also be talking about many more topics. What will be the fee for an official exam? Okay, Vinita, this price, whatever we are actually putting in, is inclusive of the official exam. It's a part of this, so you don't need to pay anything additional. It's a part of everything. Whatever you're paying is a one-time fee, which includes all the access for your sessions, for your mock exam. Oh, sorry, the exam voucher, the mock exams, and everything. It's a part of it. And if you go offline, like if you actually, oh wait, let me actually show that to you live on screen. Just give me a second. I will actually show you my screen directly from the official website of Microsoft. That will make it easy for you. Now, if you look at my screen, oops. Now, if you look at my screen, this is the exam Office Excel Specialist, Excel Associate on the official Microsoft website. Now you see the cost of it is $100. It's around 8,700 itself. Okay, so the exam cost itself costs around $100. This is, I'm showing it to you directly on the Microsoft page, but you are getting it as a part of the entire program here. Okay, and we will make sure that whatever, if you are registering with it, the entire process is also streamlined for you. We personally, our team personally will sit with you, create your accounts, schedule the exam for you based on whenever you are actually ready for it. So the every single setup process, account creation, every single thing is done by our team. So you don't need to worry about anything. All you have to do is prepare yourself, write the exam. We will do the proctoring for you, and you're pretty good to go. Okay, Sayan says only the session or all the session will be available to use it the session. Okay, Akshita, I think Sundar would answer that better. I hope you got it. Sen, you have shown us how the data can be analyzed. Which features? Okay, so I think Sian, you are referring to the version of MS Excel. I am assuming you have a older version of MS Excel. That's the reason you are not able to see the session. I mean the features. Okay, so probably that is the reason it is not visible for you. As I mentioned earlier, provided you have the Office 365 version, it would make it easy for you. Should I update? Yes, actually, but it would also cost you. It's a cloud version, so it costs a lot. So keep that into consideration. If you are you a student or are you a working professional? I'm assuming you're a student. Understood. Absolutely, absolutely. So, Sayan, if I am sure, like based on whatever I've seen, many colleges actually do provide an official college mail ID along with Teams account, Microsoft accounts and stuff like that. They do provide it. Majority of the colleges. So, if you are a part of that uh, group where colleges actually provide you the Office 365 version, you are pretty good to go. If you're doing it on your personal laptop, you have to purchase it, and then purchasing actually costs a bomb. So be mindful of what you're doing.